that there is a fast, inexpensive way that you can start making money online today. Hi, my name is Amy Hunt, home business expert. I have partnered with AMZSCOUT, and we are bringing you a live webinar where you can learn how you can find products, pinpoint products, and start selling things online. I've been doing this since the year 2003. I have a process, a step-by-step learning tool that you can join me and learn how you can start making some money online as well. So join me with the description above the video or below the video. Fill out the information, click through. I can't wait to see you at my webinar. Thanks for watching.